How to use a Capcut template from TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply what you need to do is tap on the search bar at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on the search icon, simply search for Capcut template and you'll be able to see all the videos that have used Capcut template, and you'll be able to see all the templates as well. So you can select whichever you feel like to recreate or you'd like to use. So I'm going to select on a particular one, and over here what you can simply see is the option of Capcut try this template over here. So you can simply tap on that if you would want to use this Capcut template. So all you have to do is just tap on Capcut try this template, and here it will show use template in Capcut. So as you tap on it, it will take you to Capcut and you can just add your own media and so on to use the Capcut template from TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.